here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Guess what? The caboose arrived
with her granddaughter Megan.
I was so excited about the caboose coming into the train station. And this is what we got.
Oh, yeah,
What's better than one box? 2 boxes.
Stephanie! Okay. Mine has been pre-opened.
And oh, they look the same.
They came from the same person. Mine is superior to yours.
Oh gosh, I don't know how.
So what she does on there, I'm going to show you down here.
Okay, first I'm going to say you're welcome for supporting your business.
The paper fell out. Would you like to read your paper and I'll show them? Start reading.
Okay, this is, well, I'm not going to read the whole thing. So this is the very first box that Stephanie has put out. It's a quarterly box.
Look at her nice handwriting right there. Do you see that? That's her own handwriting. Right there.
And it tells us there are 2 Riley Blake Pure Delight Charm Packs. Pure Delight Yardage Sashing, yellow for the border, blue for the cornerstones, and raspberry for the binding. We have a Creative Grids 4.5-inch square ruler. We have Orfill thread. You want to pick it up?
Would you give me a minute?
Okay.
I'm folding it down so it doesn't all fall out. Thank you.
There we go. She wants to show it.
I'm going to show
each individual thing.
These.
Okay.
You're not seeing them. Those.
Which are the charm packs.
You get 2 of them. And on the back, they show you what
they look like.
All is in there. Very nice.
And the yardage?
No, not the yardage yet.
Okay. So there's our little
Creative
Grids ruler.
I have my own ruler. I mean, it's not like I have other rulers, but I have a ruler. And there's the yardage. Which color is this?
Looks like the raspberry.
Very fancy. It's like tiny little flowers on it. And the next one is?
That's going to be the blue. That's for the corners. That's for the border, I believe.
Border. And the yellow is?
Sashing.
The name?
Oh, it is just called yellow. She called it yellow. Well, it's all Pure Delight line. That's what you're talking about.
This is the
pattern.
You struggling with your stuff over there?
No, I'm just taking it out.
Okay.
And so this pattern is $3.50, and you can go find it. If y'all want to follow along and you want to use your stash, go to dragonflyfiberart.com.
That's what the
and it's the pinwheel picnic pattern. That's what you look for on their site. And like I said, it's $3.50. I already checked it out so that all those could follow us.
And the back tells you all the fabric that you need, the cuts that you'll take, and your subcuts. And all the directions and instructions. And I might want to save some of this fabric and use some of my own fabric.
Okay.
Because I really like it.
That's fine. And the friction pin, and these are the friction pins. This is the friction pin that I like out of all the different friction pins, because instead of the top coming off, all you have to do is click it.
She received this from the bag. There's a little bag that'll come in your box, and she failed to mention that.
Well, I was just telling what was in the bag.
A for effort.
And there is the spool of thread. It's the full-size spool, not the little bitty one.
It's Orfill number 2024, which is their pure white.
And then you're going to get some machine needles. Yes, everybody doesn't have enough needles, unless you're like me and you collect them, because I've had a whole
Here's the back of it while she shows the front. Chrome professional grade. I can't get my pen out. It's stuck in the bottom of the bag. There.
And Stephanie has 15% off our long arm quilting services. She put this little card in the, make sure I'm not covering your face up, in the box.
You're covering my face.
I'm trying not to. And then we have an advertisement for Piecing It Real.
I didn't get that.
With the yes, you did.
It's further down in my box.
There you go. If you don't know anything about this, then you want to go check it out. Smarty pants.
There's the back of it. I was showing that. Oh, you stinker, you. Give me mine back. Give me that. No, this one was mine.
No, this one was.
Oh my. Do you see what I deal with? See? You see this?
So she has a foundation paper piecing membership.
That you can join. And she'll teach you stuff.
And it's really, really good. Has a lot of different, she already has a lot of patterns on there and everything. Shows you how to make them. And she's going to make patterns for advanced now, because you can go at the very beginning and see the beginning for the easy way to make them. And then once you learn, you grow and you make them a little bit harder.
You grow?
Well,
how do you grow? Are you growing a business? Is that what you're growing, dear?
Yourself. You're growing yourself.
And this little lady wants to talk about something. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Quick break.
So somebody made a phone call, so it broke our concentration and everything. So we got a little intermission in here.
Yep.
So the first thing I want to know is, did anybody go and download the podcast, Coma Girl? Look at you. And what do you guys think about it? If you did, I'm up to I do it every day. I listen to a little bit of it. So they talked about her dad today. Stop that. What his job was and everything. But I was thinking that guy... Well, you haven't heard it yet.
So don't you be spoiling today's now.
So the guy that comes in and reads her the poems each time, I was thinking that maybe he's the guy, the football player. Would you stop that?
He's reading the poem.
That actually hit her with the car. And I was thinking maybe he wasn't drunk, because they're saying he's drunk, but that's because the younger sister thought she smelled alcohol in his breath, but I'm not sure that was alcohol. I was thinking he might be diabetic or something. I mean, I always think about everything it can be except what it sounds like it might be.
She's trying to give him the positive side. She's playing devil's advocate. She's trying to give him the benefit of the doubt.
And I was thinking maybe because he hit her and he felt guilty about it, not that he felt guilty because he was drunk and hit her, but that he's been coming and reading to her because she said she recognized the voice. And if you follow sports, and you're one of the people that follow sports, you're going to recognize the voice of the people that you hear, like on TV. If you hear them talking on television, you're going to recognize them if you heard them.
Really?
And she's been listening to this, but remember now, she doesn't have her...
she's in her room. She can't see. She's got long-term...
She has long-term memory, but she doesn't have the memory since the accident. That's what she doesn't know, because she's blocked out the accident.
She's lost 2 years, 2 months, a year, a month. She's lost some time. I forgot how much time she's lost. I lost some time too.
I think she's been in a coma for a couple months.
Because she lost a couple months, and so the people that she's hearing, after hearing them for so many days, whatever, she
recognized their voices and stuff. Yeah. Like she knows which nurses come in and orderlies, and I think this is this is why I didn't want to. This today is not the one where it talks about her dad.
I don't say today's.
It wasn't about what. That's why I was going to say. I'm backtracking what I'm saying. So the one today is not about her dad. That was yesterday. Today is where I believe. No, I'm not going to tell you about it.
You're saying about it.
No.
I'm spoiling it.
Okay, anyway, so today what I wanted to say is, I think this may be a teaching hospital, because you know how, on TV shows... I didn't even think
about that, and you're talking about it.
But don't listen to... You're not supposed to be listening. You're supposed to be going blah, 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 blah in the corner. So anyway, because it was like there was maybe 5 students or something, and they each had like a second to ask a question.
Ma'am.
And so it went all the way around. So that's why I was thinking it was a teaching...
You're spoiling it for me.
I'm not spoiling it. It's only, 4 minutes, I think? Each podcast, each day is 4 minutes long, so...
You're spoiling it.
I'm not. But if you guys haven't... It's all free now.
You're taking up the whole camera.
Download it. Just download it for yourself to listen to. It doesn't cost you anything. And you can figure it out for yourself as you go along. Now, I think she's got the ebook already written. I'm pretty sure it is. So if you wanted to buy it, that'd be fine. But I'm just going to listen to it every day. I'm not purchasing the ebook or anything. Yeah, her podcast. So it's a freebie. So it's really, really interesting.
Podcasts
are freebies. Well, see, I didn't know that. Okay.
That's because you don't do them.
All right. Well, anywho, this one's free, and I'm listening to it every day. It's only 4 minutes. Yeah, I think 4 minutes was the longest one we've listened to. It's only been on for a couple of weeks, so it wouldn't be like you missed anything, and you could just sit and watch every one of them. They don't get rid of them, so if I want to go back to the very first one and start at the day 1. I could listen to day 1 and then 2, 3
All
till
podcasts are like that, dear.
Okay. See, you learn
Gonna have
something
to
new
teach her some
every
stuff.
day.
The teacher needs to be taught some stuff.
The teacher.
That way the student can become the teacher.
Okay, so now back to our regular programming.
Back to our daily scheduled programming. Okay, back to growing. So
Yes.
you're going to grow a business?
No, that wasn't it. What's the
You're
last
going to
thing
grow
you said?
taller. You're going to be
There you
my
go.
height?
Thanks, Yvette, for letting us all grow taller. We have to thank Yvette. We're going to grow taller based on your... You're piecing it real. No, I meant that you're going to learn more. That's how you're going to grow. And learn how to make things that are harder.
But if my brain grows anymore, it won't be able to fit into my head. I got a big head. My brain can't grow too big, you know? I don't want it spilling out, busting open like the Pillsbury Doughboy. Or like the Michelin Man. But pink! I can't open my ruler!
So, from what I
got
hear, the next box,
No, I don't.
if you join her Facebook, and I believe that
I got it open!
Yvette will have it on the Jelly Beanies, and Stephanie will have it, and they will tell in March when to order the next box, which will be her second box. I'm just letting you know in advance.
Her summer box.
Yeah, I guess you could call it a summer box.
This is her spring box, so she's going to have her summer box, and then her fall box, and then her winter box. And guess who's going to get all of them? That's right, me.
How about me?
And you.
There you go.
Oh, and you
Both of us.
too.
Yes.
I meant the people.
Me and you. All right.
The people.
So don't forget to go ahead and pick up your pattern. Remember now you're going to pick... I thought maybe it was at the bottom of this.
Wait! I picked it up.
Let me see here. If I can get the shot in the bottom of that. That's showing you... I'm trying to see if it works.
I dropped it.
I can't see if it doesn't look like it got clear enough. Can you see it down there at the bottom where it says Dragonfly? Fiberart.com.
It's on the front.
Is it the bottom down there? No, I'm talking about the website here.
But you've already said the website, and we've shown the thing.
Yeah, but that's not really...
They'll know
okay.
where it is.
Anyway, to
You'll
get,
know where
to
it
get
is.
your pattern so
There'll
that
be
you
a
guys
link.
can follow while we make this, because we're going to make it.
It'll be on the screen. It'll be
And
in the description box. It'll be somewhere, right?
That's right.
That's
and it's
right.
and it doesn't look hard at all. It looks really, really easy. There's 4 little 5-inch squares. Trying to get the light off there. And there's a little pinwheel right there. See?
They're not 5 inches, 4.5 inches, because your ruler's 4.5 inches.
Okay, 4.5, whatever. I haven't read the whole directions yet. Whatever. Jeez. Okay, I don't know what else to say.
I
was
do.
it.
Don't forget to like.
Subscribe,
No.
comment.
And
You always think you gotta have it in a certain...
subscribe.
Why do you have to have it in order?
Because it has to be in order. Don't forget to like
Comment,
and
subscribe,
for
notifications, more. What are you gonna
And-
for me? Click
that
a little bell.
for
Oh my gosh, are you OCD?
for
Notifications. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Jesus. Okay, well that's it. I can't think of anything else.
don't forget to like.
Subscribe.
For
Okay, they got it. They got it.
I don't think they do.
And yeah, they do.
Did
And
you
then
forget to make us your friends?
come join my Facebook group, and then post your finished quilt or your block. If you just make
You-
one
you
block,
can post
just post
anything
it.
in that
Yeah,
group.
come on,
It
post it.
doesn't matter.
Come on, everybody join. Everybody
We'll
have fun.
like your posts and your pictures.
Nobody's
and-
gonna say anything negative about it. Even
Yeah,
if
they
that-
will. They'll say jealousy comments like, "I wish that was mine."
That's not a negative towards the item that we're looking at. Jeez.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
It's too much shushing. Okay. We'll just...
And a big thank you to
Who? Stephanie. Yes. Thank you, Stephanie,
Stephanie.
for coming up with the idea. Okay. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.